at the beach. So today we're gonna have a beach day together and do a vlog and see how OSMO Action can do to capture a really fun day. I'm not really sure whether you're catching the voice of me, but let's see. So I'm gonna go over there first and start like jumping off from the float. But let's first lock the screen of both OSMO Action and GoPro, ensure that the batteries are secured, and let's go! Here I am! Here I can actually jump off. Be careful of the shot. Be careful. Yes, I'll be careful of the shot. Whoa! This is OSMO Action, 240 frames per second, reduced down to 0.1 times, which has the exact same spec in GoPro. I enjoyed jumping, so I just jumped again. And I think the results are quite similar. In general, I found color more saturated in GoPro. Now let me extend the selfie stick to 1 meter, and this is the result that you get. You kind of get the whole world. It feels so good. So right now there are some fish under this float. I filmed both at 60 frames per second, which means I can slow it down. I think I actually prefer the GoPro color underwater. One of the most fun footage to take underwater is of course selfie. Oh, excuse the low visibility of Hong Kong water because it has been raining a lot. I was a bit scared to go down further than this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the water and check out the Rocksteady versus Hyper Smooth. I'm already like a weird woman holding 2 action cameras with a backpack. Let's go! Both cameras performed well in terms of stability. I noticed a difference in mic at the water surface. Is it steady? Is it steady? The best way to dry off. I'm really tired. Few more tests to go, but it will make my day if you like this video first. It's really dark right now, so I'm going to switch over to HDR. But HDR does not have Rocksteady. That's a lot of comparison tests. Now let's chill with some B-rolls. I can definitely see a clear advantage of having a small monitor. Like here with messy hair. Although with GoPro, it's not too difficult because it is of course wide angle with all these action cameras. Wow. Both cameras started recording at the same time. They really picked up my start recording. But with GoPro, you actually have to say GoPro, start recording. And one tiny little thing that I noticed is that when somebody else says some random stuff, you start recording. It's already done twice in this like small little float. One person actually talking in Cantonese and then it started recording. And then another person now talking in French and it just started recording. Kind of strange. Start recording. Yes. GoPro start recording recognition is more accurate so far. Not a huge difference because you actually end up saying it about 2 or 3 times very clearly, then it gets it. Just stop recording. Stop recording. So, what's your conclusion? One thing I can surely say is if you're a GoPro Hero 7 Black user, then I'll stick to it. Between the qualities, I wouldn't say anything is a leap. They are both damn good devices. But for the last few days, I was really thinking like, what would I recommend for someone who has never used any action camera before? If somebody's more into like surfing, wakeboarding, diving, I would probably actually recommend GoPro because the Hyper Smooth works as super wide mode at 4K. At 2 minutes 23 seconds, where I actually attempted to color correct a little bit, I could actually see that OSMO Action might be more versatile with color grading because it's less saturated. I think particularly with HDR, and also it has de-cine-like mode as well. If someone has never used the action camera, then to be honest, I think either devices will make you happy. Trust me. I mean, when I first got GoPro 7, which was my first ever action camera, I loved it. I still love it. And for now, I think I'll use both and see how it goes. As with my last night test video, I'm actually gonna put the raw footages on my shared drive, so do check out the link down below. I will come back with next comparison video, not with GoPro, but with another device. So do stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. See you, and good night.